Many people after the age of 60 begin to notice little things that weren't there before. The joints don't feel as flexible as they used to. Walking upstairs feels heavier. The mind sometimes feels a bit slower or foggier. And the heart? It beats faithfully every day, but many seniors feel their energy is simply not what it once was. Most turn to medications, pain relievers, or expensive supplements. Some try vitamins, others experiment with herbal teas, but the results are often disappointing. Relief comes for a moment and then fades away. What may surprise you is that the key to lasting relief, better mobility, sharper memory, and even a healthier heart could be sitting quietly in your spice rack. Turmeric. This golden yellow powder isn't just for curries. For thousands of years, it has been one of the most trusted natural medicines in Asian and Ayurvedic traditions, and today science is finally confirming what those ancient healers already knew. Turmeric can be a game-changer for seniors over 60.
Why turmeric works. Turmeric is more than a spice. Inside, it lies curcumin, a bioactive compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Think of it this way. Inflammation is like a small fire burning inside the body. Over time, that fire damages joints, weakens the heart, and even clouds the brain. Curcumin works like a natural fire extinguisher, calming the flames before they spread. Traditional medicine has long used turmeric to soothe joint pain and stiffness, improve circulation and heart function, clear the skin and aid digestion, calm the mind and reduce stress. And modern studies now back this up. Research shows curcumin may reduce joint pain as effectively as some anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. Boost levels of BDNF, a brain hormone that supports memory and reduces the risk of dementia. Improve blood vessel health, lowering the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. Act as a shield against free radicals that speed up aging. And here's something fascinating. Turmeric works best when paired with certain simple ingredients like black pepper, ginger, or honey, which dramatically increase curcumin absorption. So today, I will share with you 3 powerful, practical ways to use turmeric at home. Each is safe, simple, and designed especially for seniors. Method number 3 will give you a gentle introduction. Method number 2 works more directly on the joints and circulation. And method number 1 combines the best of all worlds for the strongest results.
Method 3. Golden milk. Turmeric milk with black pepper. This is perhaps the most famous and easiest way to enjoy turmeric daily. It is also known as golden milk. Why it works? Turmeric warms the body and reduces inflammation. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that boosts turmeric absorption by up to 2,000%. Warm milk, or a non-dairy alternative like almond milk, creates a soothing drink that helps the body relax before bedtime. How to prepare. Warm 1 cup of milk, cow's milk or almond or oat milk. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a pinch of black pepper. Stir gently and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Optional, add a little honey for sweetness. Drink this in the evening, about an hour before bedtime. Many seniors notice their joints feel less stiff in the morning, and their sleep becomes calmer after just a few nights.
Method 2. Turmeric paste for joints. This method doesn't require drinking anything at all. Instead, turmeric can be used externally to bring relief to sore or swollen joints. Why it works? Curcumin reduces inflammation, and when applied with a carrier oil like warm coconut oil, it penetrates the skin and provides local relief. How to prepare? Mix 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder with a few tablespoons of warm coconut oil or olive oil until it forms a smooth paste. Apply gently to the affected joint, knees, wrists, or shoulders. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Important note: turmeric can stain the skin temporarily and clothing permanently, so wear something old and cover the area if needed. For many seniors with stiff knees or arthritis, this simple remedy provides relief after a few sessions.
Method 1. Turmeric tea with ginger and honey. This is the most powerful formula not just for joints, but also for memory, mood, and heart health. Why it works? Turmeric reduces inflammation and supports circulation. Ginger improves digestion, eases stiffness, and enhances blood flow. Honey stabilizes blood sugar, calms the nerves, and makes the drink pleasant. How to prepare? Bring 2 cups of water to a gentle boil. Add 4 to 6 slices of fresh ginger. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or 1 inch of fresh turmeric root, sliced. Simmer for 10 minutes. Let it cool slightly. Stir in 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink this tea in the morning to feel more energetic or in the evening to unwind. Many seniors find that within a week, their mobility improves, their mood feels lighter, and their sleep becomes deeper.
Safety notes and precautions. Turmeric is generally safe, but there are a few important points. Do not consume high doses if you have gallstones, stomach ulcers, or are on blood-thinning medications. Too much turmeric can cause stomach upset. Stick to small, daily amounts. Always use it in moderation. A little every day is better than a large amount all at once.
Turmeric is small, golden, and humble, but after 60, it can be one of your body's greatest allies. You don't need to do all 3 methods at once. Just pick the one that feels easiest for you today. Maybe it's a soothing cup of golden milk before bed. Maybe it's a gentle paste for your knees. Or maybe it's the powerful tea with ginger and honey. Try it for just a few days and notice how your body responds. Do your joints feel lighter? Do your mornings feel fresher? Is your sleep more peaceful? If you experience even a small positive change, leave a comment below so others can learn from you. And if you know someone over 60 struggling with stiffness, fatigue, or restless sleep, share this video with them. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss other natural, simple, and effective remedies for life after 60. Because good health isn't about luck. It's about the small daily choices we make. And turmeric may just be one of the simplest, most powerful choices you can add to your life starting today.